Did you know that your ear has 3 distinct parts? There's the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Each of those 3 parts, when they work together, help to give us the miracle known as hearing. Since this is an earwax removal vlog, specifically earwax removal vlog number 69, we're going to focus on the outer ear. This is the part of the ear that we see from the side of the head all the way down to the eardrum. Let's watch as we use the manual tools to remove some impacted earwax. This earwax is a very different texture and consistency. It's not really soft and gooey, but it's also not really hard and firm. It's kind of an in-betweener. The outside layers the curette went through really easily, but they seem to be getting snagged and held up on that inside plug that the patient has. As we remove this first chunk, let's take a look and see what comes out of the ear. It's a nice sized chunk there. It's a little bit lighter in coloration. So let's see, you can see how it's kind of getting stuck as we pull it out. There's what came out of the ear. Now as we head back in, you can see the outer portion is still that lighter color, but as we get deeper, it's definitely a harder, more dark colored earwax. We're going to again use the curette to get on top of that earwax and pull it out, allowing us good access to the eardrum and ear canal behind. The patient did not report any pain or discomfort. However, as we look back in, we can actually see that we did cause a small abrasion in the patient's ear. Now this is seriously magnified, so that may look huge, but again, your ear canal is actually very small. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We're going to jump over to the other ear here. On this side, it's not nearly as bad. The patient was only having fullness on one side, but again, if they're coming in for a wax removal, we're going to do both sides. In response to a lot of comments we got on our earlier videos with this new format, I definitely made some changes. I should be appearing a little bit smaller and the earwax removal a lot larger. Let me know what you think. This format's always a work in progress. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.